This 1966 Corvette Stingray shown here in rally red over red interior is a high-option rare find equipped with 327 4-speed rated 300 to 350 horsepower and race knockoff wheels on red line tires, power steering power brakes, FM radio telescoping teakwood steering wheel, air condition, full leather interior and is all original non-restored with numbers matching.
Give this rally red Stingray beauty a like if you wish to add it to your dream car garage and check out links for more like this. Share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.